morning, everybody. Today's garage sale day. Beautiful day out here in October. Nice and cool. So there's a bunch of sales today. Community sales, regular sales, everywhere. There's probably about 30 of them. So we're gonna go hit them, see if we can find some good stuff, and I'll be back with you to show you what we possibly score. Have a good one. This one is a sale that I've been to this house probably 5 times in the last year. They usually have something for me, but really nice people. We'll see what they got today. Beastie Boys, The Doors, Beastie Boys, Motorhead. AC/DC. Dang. Nothing crazy, but kind of cool. Dude had hundreds of CDs, and I just picked up some you don't really see every day. Like, it's pretty cool. This is a import. Pretty cool. Brand new Madonna, sealed. Rob Zombie. I got mostly the little box sets and dual disc sets. Oops. Pretty cool Van Halen live set. Eddie. Cool Beastie Boys set. Beastie Boys Anthology. So these are cool little box sets, I'm sure. Got them for $1 each, so I'm sure I can make money. At least 5 to 10, maybe more each. Very nice entrance. I've been to these people's before a few times. They're usually way overpriced, and I don't know. We'll check it out. Maybe we can find a score.
I remember you bought all my electronic stuff last time, or my, did you come?
I bought a few things.
I forgot what you
Yeah, every time y'all have a sale.
Camera stuff.
Your neighbors here have one, and I always walk over here.
Yeah.
All right, not too bad. A little set of Bose Model 21. Fucking traffic on the street. Yeah, not bad. They're in really good shape. They wanted $5 for, I got them for 4. Told them I only had 4 ones left, so about 50 to 80 bucks comps, sold comps. I may just use those in my shop. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, they're pretty clean. Bose, anything Bose usually has value. All right, we're at a little community garage sale in this neighborhood down the road from where I live. So see if we find anything good. I'll show you the stuff I got at the other garage sale as soon as we get back to the house. I'll actually show you everything. Hopefully we get some goodies here. Stay tuned. How y'all doing today? Good. Perfect day for a sale. Missed the rain, I guess, so far.
Getting a little bit of sunshine now.
Yeah. Y'all had some good luck this morning? Awesome. Cool. $5.
And it comes apart.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna knock it down. It wants to live. There. Now someone will step on it.
How much are your records here? Oh, $1. That's pretty neat.
Oh boy.
You know, is there a lot of sales in the neighborhood today?
You know, I don't know. I haven't been able to get out. I heard the word, I feel. I would imagine more tomorrow than today.
Yeah. Lady always has garage sales too. A lot of times her stuff's overpriced, but we'll check it out and see. I usually get a handful of things anyway. All right, ended up getting a couple goodies at that one. Got a sealed blank VHS. They always sell good, especially when you bundle them together. I always pick them up and then wait till I get about 6 to 12 and put them together. Got this cool little power inverter for $2. Disney Racer Star Wars car for $1. Actually, all this was a little cheaper because we bundled it. Got a Radio Shack scanner. It's pretty cool. It's really clean. And I got the base unit. Also, the scanner. What is it? This'll focus. Yeah, with a power plug, and these are pretty cool. I haven't looked up comps, but we'll check it out. I spent, I think I gave her $5 for everything, or $6. $6 for everything. So we'll see how they do. And it was fun, real nice lady. Sat there for a half hour talking to her. We'll see what happens. Have a good day. I'll make sure I didn't overlook anything while I'm here right now.
Well, if your mind starts working on all the stuff you're seeing, we'll be here all day.
Pee Wee Herman pull string dowel. I got a Yamaha amp, a whole mixer, a whole bunch of stuff. Let me get this out and I'll show you. Alright, this is the stuff we picked up garage sailing yesterday. Man, we got some pretty cool deals on some a few older things. A few newer things too, but yeah, we got a bunch of records here. A bunch of country, some rock. Got some cool old 1959 Victory at Sea. It's like orchestra with World War II gunships, firing, stuff like that. A little cheap drone, probably fix that up if it works, give it to my grandson. Man, this is pretty neat. I couldn't pass it up for $1. Old school telephone cord reel. Civil War DVD set. Bible, these tapes always sell pretty good. Couple old vintage reels, nothing real special. They're old Shakespeare's, but they're not real special. This dog was just too cool, I had to get it. Norman Rockwell mug, Starbucks mug. Starbucks always does well. Old school Pee Wee Herman pull string. It's got the string in the back. See if I can get it to work. Yeah. Pretty cheesy, but vintage. Somebody will want it. It's collectible. There's some cool Christmas thing. I think I'm gonna keep that for myself. This Yamaha mixer here. It's pretty cool. Got a good deal on that. It was like 18 bucks. And it has all the cords and everything to it. I did plug it in. It does work. Plugged it into my PA. It's old school Belgian waffler. And I plug that in. It works. It gets hot real quick. That's pretty cool. Old vintage item. Some 80s acid washed skinny jeans, high waist. You know you had a pair of them if you grew up in the 80s. Old cameras, they sell pretty good. Old Garmin GPS. I got this for myself. This power adapter set, universal, because I always get stuff that needs plugs to test. What else? This is pretty cool. It's actually a drawer handle, drawer pull. Figure I'd use that on one of my projects. New, sealed, classic cartoons, VHS. Some PS1 games, which those are pretty decent. Roller coaster, PC-ROM. Some vintage gingerbread Christmas dolls. They're from, I think, 90 or something like that. I don't know. 90 or 89. But, yeah, did pretty good. Had a good time, met some cool people. And I spent a total of, I think, 68 bucks on all this. And, I should get close to 100 just for the Yamaha mixer. So I'll make my money back there, and everything else is pretty much profit. Records average $5, some $10 a piece. Pee Wee doll, I think I seen some comps for around 20 bucks. I spent $2 on that, so make a little money, probably make a couple $100 and had fun doing it. I'll follow up soon with some more goodies. Hope you all have a good day. Good evening for my eBay stuff. This is from yesterday and Sunday night. Pretty good. Easy money. Probably have $15 invested in these items and got about 200, little over 200. Some polo sport boots, old school. Some hats, old vintage, Boy Scouts manual. What else is in here? I can't even remember. That caboodles that we found in the trash. Pretty good.
Shit, yeah, we got to get paid.